This video will briefly introduce the teacher functionality of the LoomVue web app. Notice here that we're on the courses page. Right now we have one course created called WestEd Class 1. It's possible to create other courses by giving them a name, a start and end date, and choosing the primary language, which should be English. Clicking on the WestEd Class 1 opens up the list of people that are in the course. Right now we have a lot of administrators and we have one student. We can click on the student's name to see some of their information, like recently saved words or data on time spent reading or practicing. There's also a list of assignments that they have. We can notice that one of these needs to be graded. Clicking on the grade link opens up the grading dashboard, and you'll notice that the multiple choice questions have already been graded based on the answers that were already provided. However, there's a textual answer here that we could provide a comment on and give them some points for. Once we submit the grades, then we'll see the grade book here, and we'll see the score that they've received, how many are possible, and if this was submitted late, we would also see a late icon. Notice there's many assignments in this that have not yet been completed. For a full list of assignments, you can go to the Assignments tab, scroll down, and look at the ones that are here. By clicking on one, you can change the available from date and the date that it will be due, as well as edit the content or change the questions and the correct answers. After you make any changes here, you'll want to click Update and click Assign to Everyone, which will update the assignment for all of the participants in the class. You can also upload your own content by using the Content tab. Simply click on Create Content, give the content a title. You can copy and paste text here or type it in and use some of the functionality that exists. And you can add words, and you'll notice that if you type a word in and it matches exactly, it will appear here. These will be the assigned words that show up later. We also need to choose a language. In our case, we'll choose Spanish, and then publish the content. Once it's been published as test content, we can then create an assignment based on it. To do so, navigate back into the class that you want, go to the Assignment tab, click Create Assignment, and then choose the content that you've created. Give the assignment a name, and you can add questions, either multiple choice or free response. Multiple choice questions, you can type in here, and you can add as many choices as you want. You can also make it multi-select, meaning that you would need to possibly have more than one correct answer. You would type the choice text here, and you can add as many questions as you want. The free response type, you can type anything you want, and here they will be prompted with an open text box where they're supposed to enter text. You can also adjust the number of point values and then assign to everyone. Now you could assign also just to select students. In this case, we only have one student because the rest are administrators. There we have it. The Settings tab is very similar to the student version. You can change your name here, you can toggle to dark mode, or you can change your password. That's a quick tour of the teacher panel of the LoomVue app.